Hello students and welcome to my channel once again. In this video, we will read part 1 of class 6 chapter Who I Am. This chapter teaches us to believe in ourselves. Every child is unique in his or her own way. Some children can be brilliant in studies while others can be good in sports, arts, music, mimicry, etc. We all are interesting people in different ways. And we all are good at different things. It is said that children are likely to live up to what you believe of them. In this chapter, there is an account of 6 different children. Let's see how they are unique and who they are. Part 1, Many Voices. Radha. My favorite activity is climbing tree. Just outside our house, there is a mango tree, which I love to go up. So Radha's favorite activity is climbing trees, and there is a mango tree just outside her house which she likes to climb. Its branches spread out, so it is simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork of 2 branches. When 2 branches of a tree spread, there is a space between those 2 branches that is called fork of the tree. So there are many branches in the mango tree, so she can comfortably climb the tree, and she likes to sit in the fork of 2 branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees, but one afternoon she climbed up too. So Radha's mother told her that it is not good for girls to climb the trees, but one afternoon she also climbed. And what did they do? And both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the world. So she feels like a queen when she sits high up on the tree, and she feels that she can rule the whole world. Next is Nasir. When I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. So Nasir wants to become a seed collector when he grows up. He lives in a village where they have cotton field. And every year his father spends a lot of money in buying new seeds to grow cotton plant. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work. So we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. So Nasir's grandfather had told him that few years back he used to collect the seeds from his own plant which can be used to grow plants next year. But now this doesn't work. So every year they have to spend a lot of money to buy seeds. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. So that is why Nasir wants to learn to preserve seeds so that they don't have to spend money every year. Preserve means to save seeds. How can he save seeds for the next year? So that they don't have to spend money every year on seeds. Next, Rohit. If I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. So what does Rohit want to become? He wants to be a traveler. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they look beautiful in magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. I suppose I should go to the Konark Temple in Orissa or the old city in Beijing in China and the pyramids in Egypt too. So which all places he wants to see? He wants to see the mountains of New Zealand. He wants to dive and sail in Amazon River. He wants to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. Coral are found deep in the sea. And he wants to see Konark Temple in Orissa, Old City in Beijing in China, and pyramids of Egypt. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. So he loves to see nature. Next is Sarabjit. What makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it, or I tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started the fight, or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test even if I have got Bad marks, they all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. The look on their face really angers me. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. So, when people don't believe Sarabjit, he becomes very angry. For example, if he tells his teacher that he couldn't do homework because Ravi has borrowed the book, Ravi has taken the book and forgot to written, or if he tells his parent that it wasn't me who started the fight but his little brother, or he tells his teacher that he studied for the exams even though he had got bad marks and his teachers and his parents don't believe him, he gets angry. And to hide his anger, what does he do? He just look down on his shoes so that people don't see that he is actually angry. Next is Dolma. When I grow up, I'm going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I'm sure that I will do it. So Dolma wants to be the Prime Minister. Although people laugh on her, but she actually wants to be the Prime Minister. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem. And my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. So people trust her. People tell their problems to her and teachers also trust her. I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. So when she becomes a prime minister, she wants to make everyone's life better. She wants to make good hospitals, roads and schools, and she wants to make sure that there are many scientists in India who can invent, who can come out with cures for diseases and who can send spaceship to Mars. Peter, my favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. So Peter's favorite day is every month second Sunday because on this day his whole family goes to cinema hall to see film. His father gets ticket in advance for all of them and his grandmother, his parents, his two brothers and Peter, they all take bus to the cinema hall. In the interval my father buys us peanuts. So his father buys peanuts in the interval and he loves to sit in the darkness of the hall eating and watching the film. Afterwards, what do? Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Everyone is in good mood and we all feel lucky that we are in such a happy family. So who all are there in Peter's family? His grandmother, his parents, his two brothers and Peter. So there are 6 members and they are a happy family. Now let's see some textual question answers. Peter's favorite day of the week is second Sunday of every month that we have seen because on this day, his whole family goes to cinema hall to see a film and enjoys the day. Nasir wants to learn. He wants to learn the method of seed preservation. Why? We have seen that because his family spent a lot of money in buying seeds. So he wants to seek out the method of seed preservation so that they don't have to spend so much of money in seeds. Dolma believes that she can make a good prime minister because everyone in her class asks her what to do when they have a problem and her teacher always trusts her when something needs to be done in school. Hence, she has leadership quality and she is trustworthy. Now let's see true and false. Peter is an only child. No, we have seen that Peter has 2 brothers. So this is false. When Sarjeet gets angry, he shouts at people. No, what does he do? He just looks down at his shoes so that people don't see that he is angry. Nasir lives in the city? No, he lives in a village. Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her. Initially, she used to tell her that it is not sensible for girls to climb tree, but one day she also climbed tree with Radha. So later, she started enjoying doing things with Radha. So this is true. Now there are some extra questions which I have put here for students to answer. Students, please go through these questions and try to answer it yourself. Pause the video and do it. And once you have done, you can match your answers with these answers. So this was the chapter, students. I am sure most of you have written correct answers and I hope you have understood the chapter well. I hope you have understood your strength. Please do write and comment what do you want to be when you grow up and what do you want to do in your life. Thank you for listening, children. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.